Hello. So I am going to just demonstrate the if function of Excel, which will help you to determine if your lower of standard or average cost, um, what that's going to be. So what I've done is I've taken just some numbers in these two columns. Now, of course, for your assignment, you were given a lot of data. So you will want to select the data that you want to use, and you're going to have more than just 5 lines of data. So I'll show you a fast way to kind of go down from one end, to however much you have. You've got 10 lines, 20 lines, 25 lines, 30, however many lines you have. And I'll show you a quick way to copy this formula. Okay, so what we want to do, we want to use the equal IF function. And this is how it works, equal IF, opening parentheses, and then we're going to click on the first number that we're comparing. You're going to go shift, and the number above the comma is a less than symbol. So you'll click on that. Then you will click on the one you're comparing it to, and that will give you an if the number in cell D4 is less than the number in cell E4, you will. Now, if this statement is true, then you will select this number to put in column F. If the statement is false, then you will select the other number. So that's how this formula works. The first cell you select after the formula is the true statement, and the second one would be if it's false. Then you hit enter. It's going to automatically give you that number. So whichever one's the lowest, it's going to give you that number. Now, if you go to the corner, you'll see a little green square and use your plus sign. You can copy that formula down, and it's going to select that for each one. It's going to select the lower one in each column. Now, this will also help you on your problem 3, question number 3, I believe it is. It's the 5.7 beta 5.71. I think that's question number 3. This will also help you in using that formula when you determine whether you're going to make or buy product. So it'll also help you in that. Okay, so that's a wrap. That's your video. It's a little bit less than 3 minutes, and I hope this helps you.